There's buses that are going around here today.
Which one? This one here. Thank you very much. Wait a second. This is not the right one, Mr. Man. Trying to scratch your eyes and you got the hay fever. You look so sleepy. Why don't you lie on my lap?
You waving? Hey. That's why I stopped sitting like that on the Isle of Wight.
We don't have one of them. We just have this one says child and that one says Spain.
Well, more of the eyes are from the Relegada city.
Oh yeah, there is.
Why my estate agent.
There's something about design of Waitrose and those little bits on top. There's one in the Enfield one that's not decent enough.
It's not that great.
I can park it for an hour and a half. The only high-end shop I shop in is M&S.
I'm going to do a very nice shortbread in their bakery. Just to, you know, like you get in a
Waitrose is too high-end.
Yeah, a proper chunky
Just stick to M&S.
slice of shortbread.
Really reasonably priced compared to the other shops.
Yeah, I used to go to Rachel's because it was only walking distance.
Oh, this says
Hey, I've got mummy and daddy.
I could walk to
I
Rachel's.
rarely went to M&S until I realised that they did nice
Just like off the bus then.
So they did nicely.
That's a decent size
No, I don't want to have to walk back. No, I got a ticket, I promise you.
Friday.
I don't know, I gave it to a man who came around and checked for them. And then he was trying to say I'm a
And they
child or a
labelled it up
baby.
as tree colour.
I'm not a
Only one that
baby.
was labelled up told me.
Yeah.
You're the ticket
One's
checker.
on this side
Oh,
as
well, hello,
opposed to this
Mr. Ticket
side
Collector.
actually looked
you're
like
going to be fine
there was
now.
only one labelled up and it was they were all sized.
Why? I bought a ticket. You've got it in your hand.
No, these things.
Yeah.
There is sliced bread. But they also overcook bread.
They don't.
No. It says 2 adults and a child.
Did you get the bread from
What's going to happen to her?
Was it alright?
Okay. So there's only one there as well.
It wasn't really crusty.
We're about to go to the refrigerator.
Go down there.
sorry, them's the rules. Right, let's tell the bus driver we're walking home and there'll be no carrying, there'll be no head shoulders. We've got to walk all the way back. Oh, why not? Hey, can I be honest with you? I don't think you're very good at doing this job because I'm trying to buy an adult ticket. Well, you don't have any more adult tickets left, and I'm an adult. Okay, fine. I'll buy a child's ticket, and if someone else comes round and asks, I'll pretend I'm a little baby. I'll go goo goo gaga.
They're very double-digit shaped.
And I'll start crying. Well, what can I do then? I don't have to walk home. Right, tell the bus driver to stop then. I'm getting off. No, you. You're the one that's making me. Secret entrance now. big road, won't have to
Have you
jump
ever
out of the
driven
way of all the other cars at night time.
You're in a wide. And now got turned over by a car.
I could get really hurt.
And now you're hurt.
Oh, that's a bit sad.
See, that way you shouldn't.
So I should have got off the bus when I was told to. Yeah.
No, it sank. I was sitting on top of the cushion, and as we came down the hill, it sank onto your back. I was thinking, well, I feels warm.
Now you're
I don't like this anymore. They don't talk about who I could get hurt.
That's been there a long time.
Oh, look what I can see. I can see the bus museum.
Thank you.
I can.
Oh wow.
Westway's come back.
Just me.
So I can see it as well. I can see the ice cream man.
No, you can just see a
Maybe they did transport people.
I can.
No, I don't. I can see the fish and chips. Just wait, buddy.
I can hold your ticket. Okay, buddy, just be careful. That's it.